half of the UK right now. So the divider between the colder air to the north, the mild air to the south, and that's where we usually get the snow. And you can see this buffer zone moves northwards, so the risk of snow will also transfer northwards as we go through the course of the week. But in the meantime, it does look as though the worst of the weather will stay to the north of the UK. So snow over the next 48 hours across northern Britain. This doesn't mean snow everywhere. This is the risk zone. To the south, however, we've got milder air coming in. But of course, we're warning you of the heavy snow. So a Met Office warning in force for Wales, for the Midlands, and indeed northern Britain as well. Now, at the moment, it's not too bad. We're starting to see the signs of the wintry weather, but what we're going to find is that, first of all, we're going to get the heavy snow across Wales, especially the hills during the rush hour. So quite heavy snowfall here across the high ground. You'll notice that round the coast, it's mainly rain. Northern Ireland will get a fair share of snow, but not at this stage, not at 5 p.m. today. Still the weather set fair here. And across Scotland, it'll be clear this evening, but towards the south, you can see across the lowlands and the southern uplands already the clouds are increasing. The clouds will also continue to increase across northern Britain, and then we start to see the signs of snow getting just about into the North Midlands. But for the southeast, it never will be snowy here. In fact, here we're expecting rain for the rest of the afternoon and into the evening hours, and the same can be said for the south coast as well, and all the way down into southwest England to Cornwall and Devon. Here, temperatures of around about 7 degrees. So let's pick up on that snow. Then it drifts from Wales into the North Midlands, northern England, into Northern Ireland, and just about nudging into the southern uplands of Scotland by very early tomorrow morning. Now, we're not expecting widespread snow absolutely everywhere. It'll be very hit and miss. The hills could see 15 centimetres, that's half a foot. In some lower levels in city centres, urban areas, we could see a few centimetres of wet snow. But nonetheless, this will be disruptive stuff, so drifting towards the north of the UK as we go through tomorrow afternoon, fizzling out as it does so, leaving a legacy of snow lying on the ground. But notice the temperatures, gosh, 10 degrees in London, not quite tropical, but certainly we haven't seen that very often in the last, what seems almost an eternity, that's for sure. For Thursday, we still have the mild wintry, it's not mild, we've got the cold wintry weather across the northern half of the UK. Towards the south, that's where we've got the milder air, 10 degrees in Plymouth, even 12 Celsius across the Channel Line. So stay tuned to the weather forecast. Disruptive